Okay, hello you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to my eating show. Well, today I have a big red hot burrito. See, that's what it says. Big red hot burrito. Yeah, it's beef, red hot beef it says. And I got me some spicy nachos Doritos. Okay? And I also got a salad. It's a chef salad. I think it got turkey, ham, and cheese in it. Yeah. And I put ranch dressing in here. So, gotta have something healthy. Okay? All right. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Glad you can make it. Yes, glad you can make it. I'm just not eating my lunch, y'all. Yeah, I know. Gotta really open it up. Let's see how to open it up. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah, this thing hot too. Okay, got that. All right, let me say my blessing. Uh, I should have had a regular plate because this burrito is heavier than the doggone plate. What the heck? That's what I get for using paper plates. I should have had. Matter of fact, I think I should. Just a moment. Let me go get a regular plate because this here ain't gonna work. Yeah, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I'm back. And that just wasn't gonna. It just wasn't gonna work for me, you guys. And that way, I could put my salad on there too. That plate right there, that was kind of. That's why I do not like paper plates. Paper plates really messes you up. See, now I got my salad up here. Yeah, that look a lot better, y'all. Mmm. Yeah, and I got my coldest water bottle. See, coldest water bottle. So, if you don't have your coldest water bottle, just click down below description box of the link of the coldest water. Okay? I got a lot of ice in there, y'all. Okay. Say my blessing so I can get started. Amen. 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 Since the burrito is hot, I'm going to eat on some salad. Okay? Mmm. 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 So how y'all doing? Hope you're doing well. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, I just love cheese in my salad. Mmm. I love cheese. Any kind of cheese. Cheese is cheese. Mmm. 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 That sounds good. Mm-hmm. Mm. I might drink some water after that. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's good. Let me try to break this in half because this thing is so big. Look at all the good beef and spices. Red hot burrito, y'all. Mmm. I love these burritos. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Ooh, stuff is hot. Mmm. Oh, that meat hanging out. Take a bite. Mmm. Spicy? That's what I'm talking about. They got some kick. Red hot burrito. Mmm. Mmm. Something just to hold me over till dinner time. Mmm. Mmm. Today Monday. Monday always goes slow. I'm telling you. I thank the God. No more rain today. It rained all day yesterday. Yeah. But today we have very partly cloudy. And then the sun tried to come out today too. So yeah, I went out just for a little bit. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm. Red hot burrito is good. It's spicy. Mm. I got the beans and the meat. Ground beef. I mean beans in there and a lot of spices. Mm. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. Mm. 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 I love ranch dressing. Mmm. Gotta have my veggies, y'all. Every now and then, yeah. I don't eat veggies every single day, but I gotta have my veggies sometimes. Mmm, that's good. Mmm, mm-hmm, mmm, that's good. Well, my day going pretty good. How your day going? Yeah, pretty good. Mm, mm-hmm, mm, mm-hmm, mm, mm. Listen, how long I been doing mukbang? Mm, I'm gonna say 2 years. Probably 2 years. No, just 1 year. In 2019. Yeah, I've been doing mukbang for about a year now. And I'm learning you don't have to have a whole lot of food. No. Eat whatever you want. And enjoy it. And if you don't enjoy the food, don't eat it. Okay? Yeah, it's all about another burp, having fun. I'm always burping, huh? Yeah. I'm always burping, y'all. Mm. Mm. I thought it was good. Well, have the lettuce in my salads now and then. But most of the time, I like the spinach leaves in my salad. I love the spinach. Mm. Mm. Being in quarantine, all you can think about is food, food, food. hmm That's all you can think about is the food. Yeah, when you gonna fix your next meal and what you gonna fix and mhm. Mm. That's pretty good. I'm gonna think about seafood too. I want to get me some green dip mussels. That's what I want. I never had it. I had some little black ones. I don't know what those are called. Mm. Yeah, I love seafood, y'all. I like oysters are good. I like the fried ones, fried oysters. Yeah. I like oysters. I even like sardines. I eat that too with some crackers in a minute. Mm-hmm. But I never tried no octopus. I ain't trying to go that far. Mm-mm. Mm. You know, me watching people eating the octopus. I'm like, how they do it? Mm-mm. Mm. No, I can't say I like all seafood. Like that, though. I do certain time. My favorite kind of seafood it is the crab legs. Okay, give me some Dungeness crab or some snow crab. I'm good. Don't get me wrong now. King crab is good, but you gotta fight with it. Yeah, you gotta fight with that food. Wrestle with it because it's hard to get that meat out of there, to break it, and all that. And it's so spiky. Mm. It's like wrestling with my food. I'm like, no. Let's see. Favorite kind of fish? I want to say red snapper, but that's kind of hard to find now. So I just been getting the catfish is good. Yeah, they got the fish fillet up for you. Mmm. I remember buying the whole fish where you have to chop the head off and scale the skin and gut it and clean it. And, man, that's too much work. It's like being in a horror movie. You got to do all this stuff to this fish just to cook it. Mm-mm. I buy the fillet any day. I used to buy the whole fish and gut it and scale it and cut it. I used to do all that. But now I ain't got that kind of patience. You gotta have patience. Plus you gotta clean it real good. Okay? So, mm. So I just stick to the fillet. Get me some fillet for that. Cause the other stuff too much work. Oh yeah, too much work. And the price of it is so much too. I'm like, y'all need to cut that price down because the people gotta cut it and gut it and clean it and chop the head and change the tail. I haven't had cooked the tail before. The tail to me is pretty good. Well, I think it depends on the type of fish you get too. I haven't had perch, I haven't had cod, I haven't had buffalo. Now that buffalo fish, mmm, too many bones, and the bones are so small. Mmm, you can choke on that. As long as the fish is fillet, I'm with it. We're ready for Christmas. Mmm. You can never be ready for Christmas because you constantly want to shop, shop, shop. So you can't save money during Christmas. No, you can't. Not during Christmas. You gonna spend, spend, spend. Boy, it's the food for the big dinner, and then for presents and gifts and all that crap. So the only way to save during Christmas time, mm, keep your pajamas on and don't leave the house. That's the only way to save money during Christmas time. I'm like, well, why keep my pajamas on? I'm not gonna leave the house. But then again, some people do go out shopping in their pajamas, which I never understood that part right there. You know, but to each his own. Whatever floats your boat, go right with it. But you know what I'm saying? I feel like just don't leave the house. I'll save some money. Mhm. Mhm. You can save some money. And then some people be shopping online. Turn that computer off. Mm. Save money. Mhm. Why you want to save money during the holiday? Because it's that certain gift you want to get for yourself. And you know you deserve it, you know, so you're going to save that money and get a certain gift that you want. Mm-hmm. Sometimes you got to treat yourself. Mm. Sometimes you got to do a timeout for yourself. You got to treat yourself sometimes. Mm-hmm. It's all right to give and be a blessing to other people, but what about you? Okay? Okay, you gotta treat yourself out sometimes. Mm-hmm. I'm eating on this out. This out is really good, y'all. Mm-hmm. I'm talking on what? This is for real. Mm. 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 How many days until Christmas, y'all? I think it's 10. No, 11. 11 days. Mm. 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 That's really good. It's spicy. Mm. Okay. It's good. And then these chips are good. These are Doritos. What did it say? Spicy nacho Dorito. Mm. That's spicy. Mm. 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 I'm real good. Mm. 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 Well, this is good. Mm. I don't want some more salad though. Mm. Mm. That's good. The salad had turkey and ham in here. Mm. It's good. Yeah, turkey, ham, and cheese. Mm-hmm. It's good. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Getting full, y'all. Some salads do fill you up. Well, about half of the salad almost gone. Mmm. Thousand salad. Mmm. 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 That's good. That's good. Mmm. Chew this up. Mmm. Weather changing, y'all. See, I got on my long sleeve shirt. Yeah, it's kind of cold out there. Mm-hmm. I used to wear my cute little t-shirts with the short sleeve, but no. I break out with a long sleeve shirt and the sweatshirt. It's cold out there. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh. Okay, well, let me drink some water. Oh, the water getting cold. Ooh, that was a good burp. Mmm. 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 Some more chips right quick. That's a good. That's a good chip. Spicy nacho. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's good. A little spicy. Mm-hmm. Mm. Burping steady coming up. Okay. Got my burpee in. Mm. I think I'm done. Mm. 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 Okay. I'm good. I'm good, y'all. I'm good. Mm-hmm. I got full. And I enjoyed it. That was pretty good. A red hot burrito that was really spicy. Mm. And some Doritos, the spicy nacho Doritos. And a little chef salad I had. Yeah, with the turkey and the ham in there and the cheese. That was pretty good. Well, that will hold me for dinner. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed your lunch. Okay, have a happy Monday. Okay. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. And take care of yourself. Okay. Oh, another bird. Well, let me finish my sentence. That's rude. This burping getting to be rude. I'm like, really? Mm. Okay, you guys. Take care. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Okay, goodbye.